Once again, in this task, we're not going to use Excel file. It's just giving us some kind of terminology. This is the famous if-then statement, the conditional statement within any programming language. And in Visual Basic, the first part is just simple if-then statement, which means if the given condition satisfying that statement, then we want to do something. What happens if it doesn't satisfy the given condition? Then we don't want to do anything. Okay, so that's the situation. Then the code looks like if, then, and if. Right? So between if and then, we put the condition we want to check. Then between then and if, we place the code that we want to do if the statement is satisfied. Okay, so simple one. Then sometimes, okay, if we satisfy the condition we want to do, but what happens, but we want to do something else if that condition is not satisfied, then that is if then else. So we still need if then and if like the previous one, but we put this extra code in there starting with else. So between then and else, this is the task that we want to do if the given condition is satisfied. And between else and else if, this is the task we want to do when the given condition is not satisfied. Okay, so far it's good. But sometimes this condition is not the only condition we want to check. Maybe our condition might be more than one. Then how you handle that one? That code is if then else if, maybe many else if together. So if you compare this one and that, we still have if then and if, right? So still between if then is our given condition, and just right after then means the task we want to do when the given condition is satisfied. So the condition is what? The age is between 18 and 22, right? So including 18. Then it says, yeah, you can vote. Okay. Then we could add some more condition there, right? How about, yeah, your age is greater than or equal to 22 and less than 62. Oh, then you can drink and vote. If you're greater than or equal to 62, okay, you can do this. And especially the last one, it doesn't give any condition in it. It just simply says else, which means just any age group other than these three conditions, right? So if you just put all together, these conditions covers any age greater than or equal to 18, right? So this else means other than that, which means less than 18. Then you cannot drink or vote. That's the kind of action when that condition is satisfied, right? Any age is less than 18. So as you can see here, the else if can be placed many, okay, in between there, right? Not only just one or two. Okay, it depends on what kind of conditions we are dealing with.